I still don't have this fixed. It's rhythm battery operated cuckoo clock. But one of my subscribers asked me to give her the information on this motherboard. So here's what this looks like. Blue, black, black, and then it skips, and then it's red, 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 and then brown and white, maybe. This is what it looks like on the back. And I hope I don't get mine unsoldered in the process of doing this, because you guys know I suck at soldering. But again, it's blue, black, black, skip, red, 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 then brown, and then white. And I'm going to have to look at my pictures to see if I can find out where these wires go. I'm pretty sure that these wires go to the battery, but I don't remember what these wires go to. It's been that long ago. Maybe to a switch? No. I don't know. The switch is way over here. But I hope that helps out. Let me know. I'm not going to put this thing back together until you let me know. Give me a thumbs up, y'all, and may God bless.